Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will do exercise 4E of book D3 8th edition, and question number 1 is that express each of the following number in standard form. First of all, if we will write any number like this 1 2 3, whatever the numbers of zeros are, this is called an ordinary number, ordinary form. And when we will convert this in the power of 10, then it is called standard form. And how we will convert in the form of this? First of all, you have to find out where the dot is, where the point is. When there is no point, that means always there is a point by the end. And always we have to move this point after first non-zero after first non-zero number. This is our first non-zero number, so I have to move this point 1 2 3 4 fifth position, and I am moving on this side. So on the power 10 power, it will be positive, it will be 1.2. And how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5, so it will like this. And for if we are moving a decimal from this position to from like this 2 to moving forward, so then we will write minus 10 power minus. So moving towards part A, part A is 85300. So after first decimal I have to put point, and it will become 8.5, and we will not write zeros. 8.53, the non-zero numbers you have to write, while the zeros you will skip. 10 power 1 2 3 4, 10 power 4. Part B is 5 2 7 1 2 3 4 5. So after one first number I have to put 0. Remember that first non-zero number. 5.27 multiply with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 10 power 7. Similarly, part C, 0.00023. Now you can see that first we have to move this point from right side to left side, so the number will be in the form of positive, while now we are moving from left to right, so the numbers will be in the form of negative. So first non-zero digit is this one, so 1 2 3 4. So it will become 2.3 multiply with 10 power minus 4. Similarly, for the next one, part D is 0.000. Again, there are 1, 2, 3 zeros and one more zeros, and 904. Okay, so now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it will become 9.04 multiply with 10 power minus 8. Remember that the number, the zero that is between two non-zero digits, that you have to write. Okay, moving towards question number 2. And question number 2 we have to write like we have to convert from standard notation to ordinary notation. It is 9.6 multiply with 10 power 3. So 1 0 will cut with this decimal, and two more zeros you have to write. So 9612. The easy way is that how many numbers are there? There are 3, power 3. So you have to write one less zero than this power. If there are 4, so we have to write 3 zeros. If there are 5, so we have to write 4 zeros. The easy and easy way to memorize this. Part A, part B is 4 into 10 power 5. So now because there is no decimal, if there is decimal then we will less the 0. When there is no decimal, so we will write the numbers that is mentioned. So 5 0, 1 2 3 4 5. Clear? Part C is 2.8 multiply with 10 power minus 4. Now minus 4, that means you have to write zeros on this side. So it will become 0 point, this 0 will not count, 1 2 3 2 8. Clear? You can count the numbers as well. The point was here. So 1 2 3 4. You can recheck your answer like this. Okay, moving toward next question, that is part D. And part D is 1 into 10 power minus 6. So it will become Point is here, so it will move 1 2 3 4 5 and 1. You can counter check 1 2 3 4 5 6. Clear? Okay. Question number 3 is saying that a male African elephant can weight as heavy as uh, 7,000 kilograms. So weight is 7 to 3,000 kg. Express the weight in grams. We know that in 1 kg how many grams are there? 1000 grams, that is 10 power 3 grams. Already there are this grams, so that means W is equal to 7. Can I write it as 10 power 3? And this, instead of kg, I will write in grams. So 10 power 3, this one. So it will become 10 power 6. Clear? Question number 4, part A is microwaves are form of electromagnetic radiation with frequencies between there are 6 zeros hertz and 3000 gigahertz. Giving your answer in standard form, express ओके अब आपने इसको एक्सप्रेस करना है हर्ट्स को मेगा हर्ट्स में, और इन्होंने आपके पास दिया हुआ है 1 मेगा हर्ट इज इक्वल टू 10 पावर 6. सो इट विल बिकम 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 hertz. Now 1 megahertz is equal to 10 power 6. So 10 power 6 we will count 10 power 6, so we can write it as 300 megahertz. This 6 zeros will consume in mega. Now 300, how we can write 300? Can I write it as 3 multiplied with 10 power 2? So 3 multiplied with 10 power 2 megahertz is your answer. Clear? Similarly, part B, second part, that is 1 gigahertz. 1 gigahertz is 10 power 1 gigahertz I have to convert in megahertz, so it is 300 gigahertz, and in giga there are 10 power 9, so I have to write 9 zeros, 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, they are 9. I have to convert this in megahertz, so these are the 6 zeros and these are the 6 zeros, so it will become 3 into, wait, sorry, these are not 6, these are 5, so this will become, this will consume in, these are 5 zeros, so this will remain as it is, and in place of this I will write megahertz. Now this 5 zeros, can I write it as 3 into 10 power 5 megahertz. Clear? Now moving towards next question, question number 5. Question number 5. A nitrogen atom has an atomic radius A pictometer, where A is equal to, its value is given, A is equal to 70, and this is in pictometer. Okay, we have to convert this meter in picometer. Picometer in 10 power, picometer in meters you have to convert, and picometer is 10 power minus 12. So basically I have to multiply, in place of picometer I can write 70 into 10 power minus 12 meters, and 70, can I write it as 10 power 1, like 7 into 10 into 10 power minus 12. We know that when bases are same we have to add, there is no number, that means 1 plus minus 12, so it will become 7 into 10 power minus 11 meters. Moving towards question number 6. Okay, its part B is an oxygen atom has an atomic radius B nanometer, where B is equal to 0.74 and 1 nanometer is 10 power minus 9. Express this radius in meter, given your answer in standard form. So same as we have done in part A, so same we will do over here. And B is given, that is, wait, B is given, that is part 2, and B is given 0.074, yes, 0.07. 0.074 and sorry, okay, nanometer. And nano, the word nano means it is 10 power minus 9, so 0.074 into 10 power minus 9 meters. And this you can write in standard form like 7.4, and this is 1 2, 10 power minus 11, sorry, minus 2, and 10 power minus 9. Bases are same, so we can add the power 7.4 into 10 power minus 11 meters. Part 3, they are saying that express A ratio B as express A and B as a ratio form, और उसको फिर हमने simplest form में भी change करना है. So part 3 is A ratio B. A ratio B, because 11 and 11 they will obviously cancel, so we'll only take the integers. 7 ratio 7.4, because we have to change it in simplest form, so obviously divided by 10. So 7 ratio 74 divided by 10, can I do the cutting? 2 power 5 and 2 3s are 2 7s are, so it will become 7 ratio 37 divided by 5, taking LCM on both sides or making the denominator same. So multiply it with 5, this 5 and 5 cancel, it will be 35 ratio 37, because you have to give your answer in the simplest form. Moving toward question number 6, the mean distance from the earth to sun is C, that is gigameter, where C is equal to 150 and 1 gigameter is 10 power 9. The mean distance from Pluto to sun is D terameters, and where D is 5.91 and 1 terameter is 10 power 12. Express D as a percentage of C given your answer in standard form. Okay, we have to express D as a percentage of C. So first of all we will write the values. C is 150. This is question number 6. C is 150 and this is 1 gigameter. So I can write it as 150 multiply with, in place of 10 I will write it as 10 power 9 meters, and this will become 1.50 into 10 power 1 to 2 and 10 power 9 meters. So it will become 1.5 10 into 10 power 11 meters. And second is D. D is equal to 5.91 terameter. Okay, so 5.91, it's already in point form, so it will become 5.91 into 10 power 12. Okay, now we have to express D as a percentage of C. So D 5.91 divided by 1.5, this is 10 power 12 and this is 10 power 11, multiply with 100. Okay, this will become 5.91 divided by 1.5, and because this and this bases are same, so we can subtract, so multiply with 10 and this multiply with 100, like 100%. 5.9 1 divided by 1.5, so the answer is, okay, after division I'll get 3.94 and this will become 10 power 3 percentage. Moving towards question number 7, calculate each of the following giving your answer in standard form, correct to 3 significant figures. Okay, just you have to multiply the numbers and then you will give your answer in your standard notation. Question number 7, and part A is 2.34 multiply with 10 power 5, and over here it is 7.12 multiply with 10 power minus 4. So the easy way is that you will multiply the whole numbers with whole number, like 2.34 multiply with 7.12, and this will become 10 power 5 minus 10, like 10 power minus 4, so it will become 10. Multiply these number and I'll get the answer, that is, after multiplication I got an answer that is 16.66 multiply with 10. So this because I have to give in standard form, and in standard form the decimal should be after first non-zero digit. So it will come over here, it will become 1.6. Rest number you can ignore, or you can write it as 1.67 multiply with 10 power, because I have moved only 1, so 10 power 1, and this was already I am having, so it will become 1.67 into 10 power 2. Clear? Moving towards the next one, that is part B, and part B is saying that in part B it is 5.1 5.1 multiply with 10 power minus 6 and multiply with 2.76 into 10 power minus 3. So it will become 5.1 into 2.76, 10 power minus 6 and 10 power minus 9. Obviously add, so it will become 10 power minus 9. When I will multiply these two numbers, 5.1 multiply with 2.76, so I got a number that is 14.076 multiply with 10 power minus 9. This 0 move over here like this one, so it is 1.4076 multiply with 10 and multiply with 10 power minus 9. So this will become 1.4076 multiply with 10 power minus 8, because this is 1 and minus 9. Clear? Moving toward part C. Okay, now this one is for the division, and we know that in division the powers will subtract. It will become 13.4 divided by 4 and 10 power 4 minus 5. So when we will divide 13.4 divided by 4, so I got an answer that is 13.4 divided by 4, 3.35 multiply with 10 power minus 1. The next one, that is part D, and part D is 3 into 10 power minus 4 divided by 9 into 10 power minus 8. So 3 ones are 3 threes are, it's 1 by 3, and 1 by 3 is 1 divided by 3 is 0.33 multiply with 10 power minus 4 minus 8. Remember this thing, it will become 0.33 multiply with 10 power minus 4 plus 8. I'm doing in steps, you can do it directly if you know. So I have to move this one as well, so it will become 3.3 into 10 power, because you are moving from left to right, so it will become minus 1, 10 power 4, and this with this minus 1 it will become 10 power 3. Clear? Moving towards the next one, that is part E, and in part E is, this is the plus one. Okay, part E is 2.54 into 10 power 3 plus 3.11 into 10 power 4. So in this question, all we have to do to use our calculators, and in calculator there is a button of 10 power, like 10 raised to power. So you have to write exactly what is written over here. I am using the calculator, I will show you the screen. So 2.54 into 10 power 3 plus 3.11 into 10 power 4, and I got an answer that is 33640, and I have to write in a standard form, so I will put my decimal over here, so that means 3.36 64 or 6 into 3 significant figures, so 1 2 3, so I will not write 4, into 10 power 1 2 3 4. So this is my answer. Like in these question, all you have to do your calculator. Part F is 3.1 into 10 power 7 minus 6 into 10 power 5. So again we have to use the calculator, because there is plus minus. So directly you can write it as, this is 3.1 into 10 power 7 minus 6 into 10 power 5. So it is 30412 So first, after first number, 1 point and till 3 significant figures, so 3.04. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 into 10 power 7. This is your answer. Moving towards the next question, that is part G, and in part G it is 4.37 into 10 power minus 4 plus 2.16 into 10 power minus 5 divided by 3 into 10 power minus 3. So again, by using the calculator we will get the values, and by using the calculator I'll get an answer that is 4.37 into 10 power minus 4. I don't know the calculator will give me the answer for this or not, but I am trying because I am using the mobile. So it's minus 5. Okay, this is your answer, divided by 3 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, this is the answer. 0.11123456 15287. So I have to write in standard form, so this point will come over here 1.52, and I will round it off because till 3 significant figures, and 10 power minus 7 because 6 zeros were there and 1 of this number. Similarly, part H is 2.4 into 10 power minus 10. Part H is 2.4 into 10 power divided by the bracket I have to write because there are numbers 7.7.2. While you are using the calculator you should also use the bracket because otherwise it will apply the board mass rules और फिर आपका question wrong हो जाएगा. It's minus 3.5 into 10 power it's not 10 power minus 8. It's giving me an error. Okay, I got an answer that is 0.0. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 3 3 4 9 6. So first decimal digit, first non-zero number 3.34, so it will become 5. Multiply with 10 power minus 5. Okay, similarly question number 8, it all about your calculator. You have to just use your calculator, means putting the values just like it is given, and you can do it by yourself easily. Question number 9, given that p is equal to 7.5, and question number 9, p is equal to 7.5 into 10 power 3 and q is equal to 5.25 into 10 power 4. Express part A is 2p, like 2 into 7.5 into 10 power 3 plus multiply into 4 into q, that is 5.25 into 10 power 4. Clear? So 2 into 7.3 7.5. It's all about your calculator skills, how you are using. If you are using it wrong, so आपका question भी wrong होगा. 2 into 7.5, so the answer is 15 into 10 power 3 multiply with 4 into 5.25, and the answer is 21 power 10 power 4. Okay, from here I will get an answer. Let me calculate. Doing it directly I got an answer that is 3150, and 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So I will write it as 3.15, and obviously 7 zeros are these and 2 zeros are these, so 10 power 9. This is my answer. Q minus p, so part B is q minus p. It will be 7.5 into 10 power 3 minus 5.25 into 10 power 4. So using the calculator again I'll get I will get an answer that is okay. All the uses of calculator: 7.5 into 10 power 3 minus 5.25 into 10 power 4. So it's minus. It should not be minus. Okay, if it is coming in minus 45000. So minus 4.5 10 power 4. Clear? Moving towards the next question. Okay, sorry, it was q minus p. I did it p minus q. So this will come over here and this will be positive answer. Okay, moving toward next question, that is question number 10. Okay, question is this: x is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 3 and y is equal to 7 into 10 power minus 4. I have to evaluate the value x plus 8y. So it will become 2 into 10 power minus 3 plus 8 into 7 into 10 power minus 4. So by using again calculator, there is a lot of work of calculator, so please update your calculator. 2 into 10, sorry, 2 into 10 power minus 3, okay, plus 8, and it should be in the bracket 7 into 10 power minus 4. So the answer is 0.0076 and standard form, so it will become 7.6 into 10 power minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Moving toward question number 11. Okay, the question number 11 is m is given. This is and the value of n is given first. In the first part, we have to find m, and that means you have to multiply 3.2 into 10 power 6, and n is 5.0 into 10 power 7. So simple multiplication is there, that is 3.2 into 5 it's 3.2 into 10 power 6 multiply with 5.0 into 10 power 7. Okay, 1.6 into power 14. Clear? Okay, moving towards the next part, that is n divided by n, m divided by n. So it will become m is 3.2 into 10 power 6 divided by n is 5.0 into 10 power 7. So I just have to change like division, 3.2 into 10 power 6 divided by 5.0 into 10 power 7, and the answer is, it's too big answer. Why it is so let me check the answer because it's a little bit confusing. My mobile applied the board mass rule, so I have to do it separately. 3.2 divided by 5, so it is 0.64, and from 10 minus 6 it is 10 power minus 1. So again, if I will do 0 will shift over here, it is 6.4 into 10 power minus 1, and already I'm having 10 power minus 1. So by combining these two, I'll get 6.4 into 10 power minus 2. Moving toward question number 12. And in question number 12, given that r is equal to e divided by mi and the values are given, let me write the value. Okay, if we will go stepwise, so it will be 10 power 4 divided by 4.5 into 4. So it will become I think 4.5 into 4, so it will become 18 into 10 power 8 plus 2, it's 10. So 6 divided by 18, the answer is 6 divided by 18. The answer is 0.33, and from the powers I'll get 10 power minus 6. So again it will become 3.3 10 power minus 7. Moving toward the next question, that is question number 13. Basically, I want to finish this exercise today. Light travel at a speed of this meter per second. Express this speed in standard form. That is the easiest one. Question number 3. It can write, I'm directly writing down the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 into 10 power, how many I have counted? 8 meter per second. This is part A. And part B, given that the mean distance from sun to Jupiter is 778.5 million kilometer, find the time taken in minutes and second for the light to travel from sun to Jupiter. Okay. We know that the formula for speed is distance divided by time. We have to basically find the time. So time will be equal to distance divided by speed. Distance is given, that is 778.5, it's million kilometer. Okay, and the speed is given, that is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Now million and kilometer, you have to change this in meter. Kilometer to meter 10 power 3, and in million we are having zeros as well. So by dividing that two, we will get an answer. Let me calculate the answer. Okay, from here the answer is 43 minutes and 15 seconds. That is it for today. See you in the next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz.